Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Ear Candy English. This is the place where English feels calm, clear, and human. Not stressful. Not heavy. Just something you can live inside for a while. If this is your first time here, I'm really glad you found us. And if you've been listening for a while, thank you for coming back again. Before we begin, let me ask you one small favor. If you enjoy this episode, please tap like, subscribe to Ear Candy English, and share this podcast with someone you care about, a friend, a coworker, maybe even a family member who wants to feel more confident using English. That small action helps us grow, and it helps more people learn without fear. All right, take a breath. Let's begin. Part 1. A normal morning at work. Let me start with something simple. A normal morning, not a big meeting, not a presentation, just the beginning of a workday. Dialogue example. Life at the office. Anna, morning. Mike, morning. How are you today? Anna. I'm good. A little tired though. I stayed up late last night finishing a report. Mike. Oh no. One of those nights? Anna. Yeah. It was long, but at least it's done. Mike. That's a win. Coffee first? Anna. Definitely. I can't start work without coffee. Mike. Same here, happy Monday. Anna. Wow. That hurts already. Mike. Yeah. But we'll survive. One task at a time. Anna. True. So, what's on your list today? Mike. Emails first, then I'll look at the new project proposal. You? Anna. Same. Emails, then the team meeting at 10. Mike. All right. Let's get started. This conversation is very ordinary, nothing fancy. But this is real English. Now let's gently unpack it. Smart language breakdown. A little tired. This is very natural in American English. People rarely say I am exhausted unless they really are. A little tired sounds honest and calm. One of those nights. This phrase means a long, difficult night. You don't need to explain everything. Americans love short expressions like this. That's a win. This means something positive, even if the situation wasn't perfect. One task at a time. This phrase is emotional, not just practical. It helps people feel calmer when work feels heavy. Notice something important here. No one is trying to sound smart. No big words. Just clear, friendly English. That's what we aim for at Ear Candy English. Part 2. Writing emails without stress. Now let's move into something many people struggle with: work emails. Not grammar, not spelling, but tone, dialogue. Example. Email at work. Anna. I'm writing an email to Lisa, but I'm not sure how to start. Mike. What do you have so far? Anna. Hi Lisa. Send the sales report today. Mike. It's clear, but it sounds a little strong. Anna. Yeah. That's what I was worried about. Mike. Try softening it. Anna. Like how? Mike. Hi Lisa. Could you please send me the sales report today? Anna. Oh. That sounds much nicer. Mike. Exactly. Small changes make a big difference. Anna. What about the ending? Mike. Thanks is fine. Or kind regards if you want to sound more formal. Anna. Got it, simple and polite. Mike. That's the goal. Smart language breakdown. Let's slow this down. Hi Lisa, in the U.S. This is perfectly professional for most workplaces. Could you please? This is your magic phrase. It turns a command into a request. Small changes make a big difference. This is true in English and in life. Email endings. Thanks, friendly, normal. Kind regards, polite, professional. You don't need long endings. Short is good. Remember this. In American work culture, clear and polite beats long and fancy every time. Part 3. Small talk that feels natural. Now, let's talk about something that makes many learners uncomfortable: small talk. You don't need to be funny. You don't need to be interesting. You just need to be human. Dialogue example. Small talk by the coffee machine. Mike. Hey Anna. How's your day going so far? Anna. Pretty good. Busy, but good. Mike, same here. Mondays are always like that. Anna, yeah. At least the coffee helps. Mike, definitely. Did you have a good weekend? Anna, yeah, it was nice. I mostly relaxed and caught up on sleep. You? Mike, nothing special. Did some grocery shopping, watched a movie. Anna, that sounds perfect, actually. Mike, sometimes boring is good. Anna, I agree. Smart language breakdown. Let's look at why this works. Busy, but good. This is extremely common in the U.S. It's honest and positive at the same time. Nothing special. This doesn't mean bad. It means simple. Sometimes boring is good. This shows personality without trying. Small talk is not about saying the perfect thing. It's about showing openness. And here's the secret. If you ask one small question back, how about you? You're already doing great. Part 4. Speaking in meetings without fear. Meetings can feel scary, especially if English is not your first language. But you don't need long sentences. You need safe phrases. Dialogue example, team meeting. Manager, good morning everyone. Let's get started. Mike, morning. Anna, good morning. Manager, Anna, do you have an update on the project? Anna, yes. I have a quick update. We're on schedule, and the first draft will be ready by Friday. Manager, great. Any concerns? Anna, I see one possible issue with timing, but I think we can handle it. Manager, okay. Let's discuss that later. Mike, I agree with Anna. That's a good point. Manager, thanks. Anything else? Anna, sorry, could you repeat that last part? Manager, of course. Smart language breakdown. I have a quick update. This prepares the listener. Very polite. I see your point, but this is how Americans disagree respectfully. Could you repeat that? This is not weakness. This is professionalism. Most native speakers use these same phrases. Confidence doesn't mean speaking a lot. It means speaking clearly when you need to. Part 5. The feeling behind the language. Now, let me say something important. You don't need perfect English to belong. You don't need perfect grammar to be respected. Most people at work care about, are you clear? Are you polite? Are you trying? That's it. At Ear Candy English, we believe learning English should feel like a conversation, not a test, like someone sitting next to you, saying, "You're doing okay. Keep going." If you listen regularly, even 10 or 15 minutes a day, something quiet will happen. Your ear will relax. Your fear will shrink. Your confidence will grow without noise. Closing. Thank you for spending this time with me on Ear Candy English. If this episode helped you even a little, please like, subscribe, and share Ear Candy English with someone who needs gentle, real English in their life. We're not here to rush you. We're here to walk with you. Until next time, take care, keep listening, and remember, clear English is powerful English. This is Ear Candy English. See you soon.